If you've been around on Facebook long enough, you probably have noticed they constantly move around and change where things are. For whatever reason, they make it harder and harder to do basic things like changing your name. But I'm going to show you a cool trick to be able to do just that. Now open up the Facebook app if you're on an iPhone or Android, or just go to facebook.com. Right next to what's on your mind, tap on your profile picture. And then tap on your name right next to your profile image. You can see here's my name, and I can choose to add name pronunciations or other names, aka nicknames, but it doesn't give me the ability to edit it right here, which sounds simple enough, right? But let's find it instead just by going back to General Facebook and tapping on the search icon, that little search magnifying glass. And we're going to type in settings and hit search. The cool thing is that it usually pops up with general account settings. Just tap on that and it brings you immediately to where you need to be. From here, tap on see more in account center. And now from here, you can see your information and permissions. If you tap on that, it will show you your information and be able to access your past information, your past names. But again, this won't show you where to change that name. So you can see your past names by accessing it there, but go back here, tap on Profiles and Personal Details, and then tap on under Profiles Facebook, and there is finally Name. Again, for whatever reason, they made this more difficult than it needs to be, but in here you'll be able to change your name, and of course you can't change it again for another 60 days. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well, and thanks for watching.